I've seen so far with spray lock is the process is quick and efficient. Our guys are installing it right now and it's going smooth, it's quick, the guys are getting it done. And I think not having to trowel it, troweling, you know, that's like an expertise. It's difficult. I've tried it before and it's difficult to trowel. So watching them just being able to spray it on there and really get the hang of it pretty quick, you know, right away they had the hang of it, so they're able to just go quickly.
As the first time using this adhesive, it's pretty awesome. You know, we did like probably, he said it was maybe like a lot of minutes of work. So we can say we did 4 times more than the other product. So I love it. It's pretty awesome. Using the adhesive was pretty easy. And then, like I say, you know, we covered more feet, linear feet, and then no tiredness, no back pain, no anything. We give it 1 week to complete the whole job site. But with spray lock, we can easily cut out 2 to 3 days easily.